How to enable Siri when phone lock on iOS 26. Doing so is simple and easy, guys. Make sure that your iPhone is running on the latest version, or on the version, tap on settings. Now scroll up until you get to Siri, tap on it. Now tap to allow Siri when phone lock. To enable it, now provide your phone password if you have one, or face code if you have one. Now that button has been set, so let's try close this and see if this page is locked, and see if Siri will respond. Siri, take a screenshot. So guys, we've been able to enable Siri to recognize our voice even when your phone is locked. If you enjoyed this tip and have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.